Thank you for giving this opportunity. This is Bikram, and here we are with the assignment number 4, which is related to image classifier. So, coming to the agenda of this assignment. So, first of all, we will talk about the overview, then we will talk about the techniques that have been used. Further, how we have implemented our project. Further, the results, and in the end we will talk about the video, and that slide will contain the link of YouTube video. Coming to the overview. So first of all, image classifier is basically a kind of algorithm which is a image classification used by using the supervised machine learning techniques. So here, for image classification, what topic I have choose, it is the heels, different categories of heels, which are used as a footwear by the girls. So this is really helpful as I'm recently married. This really helps me to identify different kinds of heels. Earlier I was unaware of such classifications. So first of all, what we will do, we will train our system, and then we will give it the kind of inputs and predict whether particular footwear is what kind of category of heels it belongs to. Also, we will challenge the system by introducing the inappropriate image of some random thing. So let's start. First of all, the tools and techniques that we have used, definitely as decided, it is Microsoft Azure image classifier that we have used. It is basically kind of cognitive services which uses the supervised machine learning technique. So how we have implemented this? Just to understand the implementation, first of all, we took 5 categories of heels. So first is cone heels, then second is kitten heels, third is platform heels, then stilettos, and the last one is wedge heels. So here you can see in the screenshot itself that we have trained the dataset, and we have uploaded 7 heels per category. Then for training we use the quick training part and trained our system. So let's see how the results are. Now, as we have uploaded the cone heels, we can see that 56.8% it is referring that this image is of footwear with cone heels. Definitely the heels as a whole, it is showing 96%. So it is identifying it bit correctly. Second, so I have uploaded the image of stilettos, a kind of heels, and it is also giving more majority for the same, and we can see 44.3% as a stilettos. Rest are platform heels, which is 36%, and kitten heels 17.1%. And coming to platform heels, so if we see here, the front part of the heel is bit wider and uplifted. So on the basis of that, our system has predicted this platform heels 44%, which is also kind of majority and correct. Then for kitten heels, we can see here 41.8% it is predicted correctly. And in the last, wedge heels, so we can see here that the wedge heels and the kitten heels had the kind of same percentage, but yes, there is major win-win for our wedge heels. So it is basically predicting in the correct way. So now let's challenge our algorithm. If we challenge it, we have to identify how it behaves. Okay, now we have to choose some random pictures from our internet, definitely, and we will see. Now what I used a cone ice cream. Now if we see here, the it is basically predicting it as a cone heels, with 67.5% of prediction. Now, the probability is definitely incorrect, as it is not a heel, but it is in a shape of cone. I think that is the reason it is, uh, you know, uh, classifying in that particular category. Now, here it is a plain kind of pillow with a print, and let's see how it's gonna predict. So we can see the probability here. Here the probability is heels as 85%, which is totally incorrect, and platform heels 77.8%. So we can exactly see here that how predictions are getting wrong. Now we have a remote here, and it is also categorizing it as heels and platform heels, which is also incorrect. So this slide is basically for YouTube link that gonna uploaded in a while. Thank you. Let me show you how we have implemented this. Let's see in our Chrome. Okay, so here we have used it. Now let's quick test. We have to pick any image from the internet. Let's say this image. So we can see here, yes, this is the heels 93% with majority, but it is saying that it is a 85% of platform heels. So it is identifying as platform heels. So we can see here that it is basically how predictions have been made earlier as well. Now let's take some example of random thing. Let's challenge this. Say diary. I'm just gonna take this example and take the link from here. Let's see how it is performing. So it is taking it as a platform heel, which is totally incorrect. Then say now let's see what kind of heel is this. So kitten heels and style lotus. So these two kinds have the majority here. So I think most of the things have been predicted correctly until unless we are not throwing any inappropriate picture. So the if we talk about the performance, here we can see the precision is 81.3%, recall rate is 65%, and AP is 85.1%. So all the images have been published, and the model has been trained. So let's wrap it up with the last prediction that we are gonna make with some wedge. So this one. So here again it is showing that it is a Stellotis kind of heels, and hence we have just uh, gone through our cognitive services from the customvision.ai from Azure, and thank you so much. This is all about my assignment. I hope you like it. Thank you. Bye.